Okay, let's get into the video. In this video I'll be showing you guys some of the basics of AutoCAD, some of the basics that you need to know in order to start this course. So when you open AutoCAD, something like this is going to pop up on your screen. So in order to start your drawing, we need to go on the plus sign, like that. There we have our 2D drawing. The first thing is in 2D, so you can make our lines over there. For example, you can just select the line, then just left click like that to make your drawings. So you can also go on auto mode there. If you want to be making 90 degrees angle, go there and turn it on auto mode, then you can click there, then you'll be making 90 degrees angles like that there. So we're going to make 90 like that. You can press escape. So we have made our box over there. You can also make it very accurate by just putting in the dimensions. So I can just say I want it to be 300. You press enter, you go there. 300, you press enter, you go there. 300, you press enter, you go there. 300, you press enter, for it to be evenly. All the boxes are equal. So 3 by 100, 3 by 100 square. You can erase that one if I want. Let me erase. Just select everything and go on and press your delete key and you can erase. So that's how you erase objects. So you can also try to move this by selecting everything, then go there, right click after you select everything, then go on move. So that's the corner you want to move. It's still in 90, as you can see, it's just moving in 90s. So you can turn it off if you want to move it in any direction like that. So that's how some of the few things you need to know. Then there's also what we call the polyline. For the polyline, let me try to make an example of the polyline. You can do like that. Try to draw something and press escape. So if you select any part of this, it's going to be highlighted. You can also delete everything just by selecting it. So it's one continuous line. That's the polyline. But for these others, when you just go there on line, you can just select and it is individually. You can see, you can also select it one. It's a one line thing. You see, even there, these are not polylines. You can also go there on circle. You can draw a circle like that. You see, a circle. Then there's also what we call an arc. So for an arc, you have to make 3 points. For a circle, it's just 2 points. You can see. Let me show you. 1, 2. You see. Now I need the third one. I have made an arc like that, as you can see. So let's look at some other cool features in 3D that we can deal with. So go here and click that on where there is house like that. Now we are in 3D. As you can see, there are no 3D objects there. They're just parameters, and I need the tools for 3D. So just go there on top, right? Then you go, or you right click, then go on show tabs like that, then 3D tools. You see my 3D tool there will appear. Click there. These are the tools that we use in 3D. So this is going to be your playing ground as you are making your projects which are in 3D. So you see here there is a box. You can just select that box, you see, and it is in 3D. Cool, right? Let's make some other things. You can use a cylinder. Let's go on cylinder. You see how it's going to look. That's a cylinder. Let's okay, let's choose a sphere, the one last thing. But there are also some other things that you can choose over there. There's a pyramid, there's a wedge, there's a torus, and there's a polysolid. So let's go on the sphere, one last one, like that. So that's a sphere. Oh, I'm sure you guys are thinking, no, it doesn't look like a sphere, huh? Let's make it more realistic then. Okay, let's press escape. I want you guys to go where there is here where it says 2D. Then try to make all your 3D objects realistic. Go there on realistic, click there. You see? Now it looks like a sphere, you see. After that, we can go there where it says mesh. Then just select any object like that. I'm going to select just one. Fine. Now we have meshed it. You can see this is the mesh. This is how you mesh objects. Also, look at this. I want to show you something cool again. You can just do that. Go down extrusions. Then you can click there, and there. Then press enter. I want you to see this, guys. You see? You can make your 2D objects into 3D by going on the extrude like that. You can select that, you can go there as well. You see? You can select that as well. You can go and extrude. You can go there. You can just okay there as well. Then enter. You see? This is for the polyline, and for the arc, let's give it a try. Huh? Can the arc go into the 3D as well? I believe so. Click on it, then enter. You see, we have our 3D object. This is how you can make 3D objects and 2D objects. That's some basics that you need to know in order to make some cool projects. Thank you guys for watching the video. I always tell you this. You can subscribe to my channel so that I keep on uploading some more videos. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Have a good day.